A for
apple,
B for
bear,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
goat,
H for
heart,
I for
igloo,
J for
jellyfish,
K for
for
kite,
kite,
L for
dragon,
lion,
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for nest,
nest,
O for
octopus,
P for
fish,
Q for
queen,
R for
rainbow,
S for
sunny,
T for tur.
ten,
One more. T for
turtle,
U for
umbrella,
V for
broom,
W for
watermelon,
X for X-ray. Good job. Y for yarn.
yarn,
Z for zip. Zip.
for zebra.
Very good. Appear.
A
Good
B
job.
C D E F G H I J K L M N O P.
Where is letter L for lion? Where is letter G for goat? Letter G for goat. Where is goat? G, g, goat. Isa-isayin mo. Aba, very good. How about letter O for octopus? Very good. How about letter K for kite? K, k, kite. Very good. How about letter M for monkey? Monkey. Very good. How about letter I for igloo? I for igloo. Good job.